People of Burkina Faso, my African brothers and sisters, listen to me. My name is Ibrahim Traoré. Some say Africa is poor. They say we can't dream big. They say we're only good for cleaning their hotels, not building our own. Today, we prove them wrong. On our beautiful shores, with the ocean wind around us, we're building the biggest hotel in the world. And it's not for the West, not for outsiders, not for the rich. It's for us, the African people. I'm not a businessman. I'm not asking for handouts. I'm a son of Africa, fighting for our freedom. This hotel isn't just a building, it's a promise. It shows the world. Africa will make its own future. We won't beg for a place at their table. We're building our own palace by the sea, and the world will visit us. Every brick, every nail, comes from our hands. Workers from Ouagadougou, builders from Dori, designers from Koudougou, they're all making this happen. This isn't a foreign project. It's not a trap to owe anyone money. It's our nation, standing strong. They took our gold before. But now, we'll use our land to build something they can't take. Let them be surprised. Let them talk. Let them try to stop us. I'm not scared. Africa's quiet days are over. We're not ashamed to grow. We're not afraid to build. We're proud to say, this is ours. Some ask, why a hotel? Why not roads or schools? I say, why not both? We'll build roads, schools, hospitals, and this hotel. Because Africa deserves more than just getting by. We deserve to shine. I want our kids to walk by this hotel and feel proud. I want them to see its tall towers, its ocean views, and know it belongs to them. This is what our ancestors fought for. This is what we're claiming today. No foreign flag will fly here. Only Burkina Faso's red, green, and gold, showing our strength, our pride. This hotel isn't just for vacations, it's for standing up. It's not just for tourists. It's for changing how we see ourselves. It's not about fancy things. It's about our freedom. To every African leader, I say, don't wait for permission. Build what you dream. Lead with courage. We don't need the people who hurt us to tell us how to be free. We already know how. We're not against the world. We're against the systems that held us back. When this hotel is done, when the sun sets behind it, and our music fills its halls, everyone will see. Burkina Faso is strong. Africa is powerful. We're not guests in our own land anymore. We're the hosts.